Pressure Equipment Regulations of 2009 definitions. Construction. Materials, design, fabrication, modification, repair, installation, examination, inspection, testing and certification. Manufacturer. Any person who has overall control and is responsible for the construction of the pressure equipment. Design pressure. The gauge pressure used in the design formula to determine the dimensions of the component parts of the pressure equipment. Design temperature. The temperature used in the design formula to determine the dimensions of the component parts of the pressure equipment. Design verification. Verification that a pressure equipment complies with the applied design of the relevant health and safety standard and the requirements of these regulations. Latent defect. A fault inherent in pressure equipment resulting from deficiencies in the design or manufacturing process that may cause a health and safety risk. Fluid. Gases, vapors, liquids in pure phase and mixtures thereof, and may contain solids in suspension. Gas. Gases, vapors and those liquids which vapor pressure at the design temperature is greater than 50 kilopascals above normal atmospheric pressure. Non-metallic. Glass, thermoplastic or thermosetting, polymeric, reinforced and unreinforced materials or combinations thereof. Dangerous substance. A substance defined and classified as such in terms of SANS 10.22.8. Appliance. An appliance as defined in SANS 1539. Piping. Pipes, tubes or flexible pressure hose elements intended for the transport or distribution of any fluid at a pressure of 50 kilopascals or above when connected together. Pipeline. Piping or a system of piping designed for the transport and distribution of any fluid from installation that is onshore or offshore, starting from and including the last isolation device located within the confines of the installation, including all the auxiliary equipment designed specifically for that pipeline. Reticulation. The conveyance of gas by pipeline with a general operating pressure of no more than 200 kilopascals to the ultimate point of consumption. Gas system. An assembly of tubes, pipes, ducts, fittings and valves for a reticulation, circulation and conveyance of a gas, excluding a pressure vessel or transportable gas container connected to the system. Pressure equipment. A steam generator, pressure vessel, piping, pressure accessory and safety accessory, transportable gas container and fire extinguisher. Pressure vessel. a housing designed and manufactured to contain a fluid under the design pressure equal to or greater than 50 kilopascals. Steam generator. Any apparatus to convert water continuously into steam at a pressure higher than that due to the atmosphere and where the heat is derived from a source other than steam. Pressure accessory. Devices with an operational function having pressure bearing housing. Safety accessory. A device designed to protect pressure equipment. Transportable gas container. Any refillable vessel for the storage and conveyance of liquefied, dissolved or compressed gases of water capacity from 0.5 liters to 3,000 liters. Fire extinguisher. A rechargeable container which has a fire extinguishing substance that is expelled by the action of internal pressure for the purpose of extinguishing a fire. Authorized person. A person who is registered as competent within the scope of work for which an organization approved by the Chief Inspector has registered that person. Certificate. A written declaration of conformance to these regulations. Recertification. Activities undertaken to determine appropriate design parameters for pressure equipment where such data is unknown or unavailable. Re-rating. Any change in design parameters of pressure equipment which affects the certification. Repair. Return to original standard by the application of heat or welding to any pressure equipment or the replacement of expanded tubes. Modification or modify. Any change to the original design conditions of pressure equipment, including re-rating or the addition or removal of elements that could affect the integrity of the pressure equipment. Risk-based inspection. An inspection scope based on the results of a formal risk assessment, including inspection and test intervals. Unique mark. The mark and accreditation reference number of the approved inspection authority.